So today we are going to be learning the components of electronics. So today we are going to be understanding the components of electronics. Now let's start. First, resistor. Resistor is one of the main component of electronics. It reduces the flow of electricity. So think you're using an LED and a 9-volt battery. The LED is going to fuse because of the power coming in. But with the resistor, you can convert the 9 volts into a 2 volt. So the electronic symbol for a resistor is this. As you can see, my cursor is pointing. So let's move to the next one. Transistor. It's like one of the heart of the electronics. Controls the order of things. Also detects the flow of electricity in many ways. So resistor is like, think you're making a water level indicator. As soon as the wire touches the water, so electricity starts and the transistor captures it. Electronic component for a transistor is this one. So the next one is an LED. It produces light. The electronic component is this one. LED is there in various colors. Next one is a diode. It prevents the flow of electricity from one direction. Here you can see the silver band where my cursor is pointing in the image. So what it does is, it prevents the electricity from flowing from the other side of the silver band. Electricity can only go through the silver band. Electronic component is this one, and it prevents the flow of electricity from one direction. This is a capacitor. It keeps backup electricity to make things off gradually. Think you have an LED and you want it to dim slowly. For that you would be needing a capacitor. Electronic component is this one where my cursor is pointing. This is a potentiometer. A potentiometer is used to customize the flow of electricity. So the spelling of customize is wrong, sorry. Electronic component is this one. So here you can reduce the flow and increase the flow of electricity. So you keep it fully, you see that the LED will be glowing high, and you reduce it, it will be glowing dim. The next one is a switch. This allows the supply of electricity when the button is pushed. If not, it is stopped. Electronic component is this one. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and comment in the comment section below. I will keep the kit in the description.